Welcome to the Rich Bundle Builder, the Shopify app that helps you create beautiful, high converting product bundles for your store. With the Rich Bundle Builder, you get access to 70 plus beautiful and professional templates meant to fit different types of brands and stores. Whether you sell clothing, flowers, beauty products, candles, food, gift, kids products, pet product, jewelry, accessories, or home decor, you can choose a bundle template that match your store style. And if you want to make it more unique, every template can be customized to match your brand colors, layout, content, and overall look. Rich Bundle Builder gives you 13 powerful discount types to create offers that encourage customers to buy more. You can create fixed price bundles or use tier discounts based on quantity or cart amount. Offer percentage off, fixed amount off, free gifts, now discount tiers, shipping discount, and free shipping, all from one simple setup. Your bundle should look like a natural part of your store. That's why Rich Bundle Builder gives you full styling control. Customize the layout banner, progress bar, tabs, products, quick view, and bundle box to create smooth and branded shopping experience. And if you want to design your bundle even faster, with AI widget customization, you can simply describe the style you want, and Rich Bundle Builder helps create a polished, brand matching widget with the right color layout and overall feel. Rich Bundle Builder also include powerful extra features to make your offer more engaging and flexible. You can add custom form fields, you can add countdown timer, you can add inventory stock, extras and add-ons, toss cart message, and advanced controls. You can also add custom CSS for deeper design customization. In settings, you control how your bundle behaves after a customer adds it to cart. You can open the cart drawer, send customers directly to checkout, or redirect them to the cart page. You can also manage scheduling, meta fill syncs, and extended product data to keep your bundle flexible and connect with your store. Start building smarter bundle today with Rich Bundle Builder. Create beautiful offer, increase average order value, and give your customer a better shopping experience.